Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Nothing drops. I crossed my arms as I waited for my volleyball coach to finish talking to the officials. There was a problem with the score. But did it really matter? The Lions were ahead of us, 24-14, and the game would end at 25. The Lions' middle blocker, number 8, must have been thinking the same thing. She covered her mouth and yawned. Was she bored? A team needed to win 2 out of 3 games to win the match. Our team had won the first game, which meant we could play better than this. "Bring it in," I called, waving to the 5 teammates on the floor with me. "Listen," I said, once we'd made a tight circle. "The Lions think this game is over." "Guess what, Sara?" drawled Zoe, our setter. "They're right." "But we don't have to make it easy for them," I said. I looked at Kate. "It's your serve. You can keep it going all afternoon. We're going to make the Lions work for that last point. From here on out, nothing drops." "Nothing drops," Kate echoed with a nod. The whistle blew. As I returned to my spot on the floor, I checked the scoreboard. It now read 24-15. One more point for us didn't really matter. We still couldn't win this second game of the match, but we could have a rally, one that would keep that middle blocker from yawning again. Once both teams were ready, the referee whistled and motioned with her hand. Kate tossed the ball into the air. Smack! Her serve rocketed over the net and hit the floor right between 2 girls in the Lions' back row. An ace. 1 point for us. "Jack, Queen, King. Ace, ace, ace." My team cheered as we stomped into the middle and clapped our hands 3 times. Kate served again. This time the ball drifted lazily over the net before dropping sharply. "Short!" the Lions shrieked. One girl dove forward, but the ball still hit the floor about 7 feet away from the net. Another ace. "Jack, Queen, King, ace, ace, ace." We cheered again. The Lions managed to bump Kate's next serve to their setter. She sent the ball to the middle blocker. Number 8 made her approach to spike the ball. I timed my jump and went up strong. The ball slammed into my outstretched hands. It dropped on the Lions' side of the net. "Whoa, nice one, Sara." Zoe patted me on the back. I checked the scoreboard. 24-18. "Come on, guys," the Lions' middle blocker whined. "Let's put 'em away." I smiled. Kate served another ace to make it 24-19. We were still too far down to come back. Or were we? The Lions set Kate's next serve to the outside hitter. She hit a weak spike over my outstretched fingers. One of my teammates should be able to get under the ball, I thought. Tunk. I heard the sound of a well-controlled bump to our setter. Zoe sent the ball to me in a high, sweet arc. I went up for a spike, swinging my arm forward and hitting the ball hard. It spun toward the back line. "Out!" the Lions yelled. The line judge agreed. But then the referee on her perch made the hand signal for a different call. A touch. Number 8 must have put a fingertip on the ball when she'd tried to block me. We were still alive. 24-20. Kate served for the 6th time. The Lions bumped and set. This time, their outside hitter tapped the ball up and over my outstretched fingers instead of trying to spike it. "Tip!" I shouted. Would one of my teammates be able to get under the ball? Zoe dove. Somehow, she managed to keep the ball off the floor. My turn. I lunged to my right and hit the ball with my closed fist. It floated up and over the net, right to number 8. Smack! She spiked the ball hard. It hit the floor on our side. Game over. The Lions surrounded number 8, squealing with excitement. I watched their celebration from the floor. Did I make the right call? I wondered. Should we have saved our energy for the 3rd and final game of the match? But then Zoe held out her hand to pull me to my feet. "Way to go after that ball," she said. "Maybe this game is over, but the match isn't. Nothing drops."
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.